back. We are back out here at Brainerd for the MPK event that they're having this year at BIR. Yesterday was Friday. We got completely rained out, rain all day. Today they're going to try to run 2 events in one. We're going to run 1 small tire event, and then we're going to get the car back together, and they're going to run a whole other event. I think there's, what, 9 cars, right? In this first one. So yeah, 9 cars out here, so not a whole lot of cars, but still a pretty good competition for what there is for cars. We pulled Troy first round. We're in the left lane. You guys are fairly familiar with Troy. We've raced him a couple times. This thing is known for getting down and going consistent, so we'll see what happens. But worst comes to worst, get a turnaround for the next event and have a better chance the next one. That way we have data, because we have no test pass today. So it's right into first round coming up here in like 5 minutes, but we'll see how it goes. Just had the first round on Sunday. We threw a tune-up in it. I had Troy Bednar's first round. Left really good. Got out to about 200, 250 feet, and it just blew the tires off, and I had to lift and pedal it. At that time, all his power was coming in and stuff, and he flew by me at like 500 foot, and we just didn't have enough. We got a second shootout later this afternoon. After this first one is done, that's a 5,000 guaranteed. That should be a really fast class again. There's a ton of fast cars here, but overall we're going to go back, look at the data, see what we can do, and hopefully try to make this thing go a little faster. All right, we got the small tire final here for the first race of the day. We got Troy in the right lane and Gary Hoover in the left. gets the win in the left lane. He's gonna draw you. Watch. I'm calling it right now.
Call?
I'm calling it right now. Oh, never mind. You guys both go.
Yes, come on.
Nope.
Two, so I'm two. Oh, Sheldon, is it you?
Number 10?
No!
I forgot to turn my CO2 bottle on last time.
Oh, no.
Well, good luck. We'll see you out there.
All right, thank you. We are in the lanes right now for the second race today. Cole has someone that we've never raced before. That car right there. Track seems to come around quite a bit after these big tire cars go down it once in a while. Hopefully the same tune-up works and we can get down this run and give it up. Alright, here we go. We're gonna give this another shot. First round of the second race today.
Baby! Yes! Yes!
That was beautiful. Dude, what's all over your... It's just water. Hey.
That felt really good,
Good job.
dude.
Yeah, that was dead straight too.
Well, our first hit of the second event for the day went super good. I had a guy named Kim from Oklahoma. He had a nice Pontiac Trans Am. I cut a great light on him. This thing was on an absolute rip for the entire 8th mile. It dead hooked, went A to B straight down Broadway. I mean, we're in this, and this is a big race. I think there's 4 or 5 cars left going into second round, so we're gonna have chip dry here relatively soon, and we'll see who we pull, and go from there.
Should you get?
Number 1.
It's gonna be super awesome.
There's our matchup right there, Sheldon Root. Second round, technically the semifinals of the second small tire race today. Here we go against Sheldon Root.
baby. Let's go. We're in the finals, baby. We made it. Come on. That was a really good pass. That felt really good. Yes, yes, yes.
Well, you got Clayson next round. I was another A to B, dude. You think that felt faster?
It was fast.
Yeah.
It was definitely fast.
He spun a little bit, like 330-ish, but you were still out on him.
It was chattering a little bit.
No, I'm saying him.
Oh, I never even saw.
But dude, that was, yeah, right down Broadway once again. Dude, the track was good.
We're back. We're back in the finals, man.
5Gs, baby.
Well, second round in the orange car went super awesome. We had Sheldon in his beautiful Chevy Tude Nova. He's got a big block with twins in that thing. It's a super beautiful car. We threw a tune-up in it that we thought was going to be healthy enough for it. And whoever we drew, we knew it was going to be a dogfight. And I cut a great light again, and we got out on him, and I honestly never saw him. We got Joe Clayson, the blue Camaro in the finals. His car is super bad to the bone too, 481X with a big single. It's going to be really fast on the no prep surface, but we're going to go back, look at the data, throw something at it, and see if we can get the upper hand on him in the finals and win this $5,000. So stay tuned. We're in this, baby.
All right, back in the lanes here. We got the finals coming up. They're running us quick. They ran 2 separate events today. So we got Joe Clayson. We know that he can get down this track, and he's pretty familiar with these surfaces. So it's going to be a great race regardless. I know we're all kind of pumped up with how it's gone so far, but this would be kind of some icing on the cake here if we get to get it done. Here we go. Time to do it, baby. Here we go. Small tire finals for 5G.
Left lane wins, right lane goes red. Left lane wins, right lane goes red. Just left a little early. Race, unfortunately, right lane went red, Dave.
That was a car I raced up here last year in locals only.
Yeah, the car's fast.
Yeah, the Mustang.
Car runs good, for sure. Did you win?
I did not.
Oh, Dave, what happened?
Good race, Joe.
It scared me. All of a sudden I was over you. Whoa, what happened here? Where'd he come from? Yeah. It could have been by much, but good job, Joe. Yeah, you guys do, man.
Good run, Joe.
Were you right there at the
I
end?
pedaled a little bit, but we were pretty close. Yeah.
I don't even know.
It's because I don't know how that instant green, so there's no way for it to go red. Unless you go, like, that's what I don't understand. That's what they were talking about up there. It's like, hey, you did what you could.
Finals at MPK. Car made a really good A to B run. I just jumped the green light, the instant green, a little too fast, and man, let me tell you what, it really sucks. I am absolutely livid with myself right now.
You want to tell them what happened?
Choked, red lit.
He asked us.
Fortunately, no GoPro footage is going to be used, so this is kind of the recap. I jumped the bar just a little bit too early, and I personally feel like we had the best car. I mean, it was probably a car and a half, 2 cars at the finish line with the red light, but it was so close. Like, it probably would have made up a car if I would have left on green. Maybe not even, but it's racing. I'm bummed out. What do you do? We'll be back here in 2 weeks for the 4th of July, and all we can do is recoup and get faster.
Those instant green red lights are hard because you personally probably didn't see it until someone
I had
told you.
no idea. I thought I was
Everybody
in the clear.
Everybody on the starting line was cheering too, and then I had to turn around and break the news that you red light because I've seen it all over with those instant greens. So
I was so bummed out. But overall, thanks for watching this video. It was an awesome weekend either way. Thanks to MPK and Brainerd for getting both the events in today. I know it was a lot of work. Unfortunately, last night they did whatever they could to dry the track off, and it just couldn't go. But they squeezed it all in today, and it was just a gorgeous day out for racing. And nobody's hurt, nothing's broke, so we'll live to race another day.
yep. See you guys in the next one.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah.